Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about variables in Python. Variables are nothing but a reserved memory location to store values. When you create a variable, it reserves some space in a memory so that we can show data in the output screen. For to create a variable, we have certain conditions to create a variables. Some of the various conditions are: first, we can use a to z values, that is a caps to z caps, and small a to z small, and you can also use a underscore. But in variable starting, you should not use this functional values before starting a variable. Like if I am starting a value as a var, it is allowed to create a value. But if you're creating a value as colon var, it shows you an error. I show you the example for this. Now I'm creating a new file for a Python. Okay, I just make it in a terminal itself. Just making a cmd. I'm just moving to a Python. Okay, now I'm just creating a variable for a value. So now I'm creating a var as with a identifier naming with the correct version equal to 10. The value is 10 for var. I'm hitting enter, it not shows any error. If I'm using any special reserved words, special unknown words like at var equal to 2, if I hit enter, it show you an error. That is invalid syntax. This show you an error. So before writing any variable, you should know what type of things you to know to write in that itself. So you have to use only a small a to z and a caps to z caps and underscore. You can't use a exclamation at hash dollar percentage. You can't use it. Even you can use a underscore also. If I making a underscore var equal to 45, hit enter, it will not show you an error. You can also create like this. Okay, how we next topic is based on object references in variable. So if you create a some printing statement with some value, if I'm making a it as a just wait, first I created a variable underscore var dot 45. If I'm printing that here, it show you one value. The value is 45. So what is 45? 45 is a, I'll show you what is 45. 45, sorry, value of 45 is int. It is a int object. So likewise, if you create just moving this var to just making a value as a pass string. So I'm hitting enter and just printing a value. It shows and pass. So to find its object, so you have to type. You have to use a command type with the variable name you have used for a value you are given. So I'm giving a pass value for a variable name. So I'm going to find its object. So it's a string object. This is how you have to find a object references for any values that is being initialized for a variable. So next thing is this object identity. The object identity means every value in a Python has a some identity value. Likewise, every value has an identity value. If I'm making my value ASD equal to 150, I'm hitting a enter. To find what ID value it has, you have to type a print ASD with ID keyword. If you enter this, it shows an error. Just wait. Int object is not callable. Okay, I'm sorry, I just typed the wrong thing. So you have to first you make a id, sorry, id of method asd as a variable. Okay, now it enter, it show you an variable value. This is a id value for asd that is given for value as 150. So this is a id value for 150 and asd. So if you create a another value and just checking, I just show you. If I create a value equal to var equal to 89, hitting enter, and now I have to show you the print value, right? id value. So id of var, the id value is 1617612080, but the previous one has a 3056. So every value has a different types of identity. So this is all about the variables in a Python. Thank you.